Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your photo on the Lightleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select the picture you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find this filters option and tap on it. Here you can find a bunch of categories at the top, such as vivid, clear, portrait, fade, film, teal and orange, indie, kids, bright, vintage, aesthetic, cool, warm, and so on. So select the category that you are interested in, and after that tap on the relevant filter you want to use. Then you can adjust it by the help of this slide in the middle of the screen. So after selecting and adjusting, click on the checkmark icon that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.